got into vampirism. You see that the only thing that he could keep down in his stomach was the use of come in and, we would just take like a plane of blood. That's where you would bring it. But the only thing you can do is the Eucharist and the blood. Spiritual ties, right? I mean, there's spiritual ties right now. What the host is in the blood. Exactly right. What the host represents is the passion of Jesus Christ, the suffering and death of Jesus Christ. Initiation. Catholics believe that Jesus Christ, and any priest has the ability to call him out of heaven. The ceremony of the Mass, and the people that Bill Schoenblum's deliverance from that. And it was interesting because one of the witches brought over to his house the comic book by Jack Chick, and he started, reading it. Then somehow the Spirit led him to a Seventh-day Adventist church. And at the Seventh-day Adventist church, he asked the pastor, he always would trip these pastors up and say, well, do you have to be baptized to be saved? And of course, all they said, you would. But when he went to the Seventh-day Adventist, he got a truthful answer. He goes, well, no, you can make a profession of faith. It's ideal if you were baptized, but it's not that essential, So he attached himself to the Seventh-day Adventist for a while there, So
he was a Mormon, too.
Yeah, he was a Mormon, and he was describing how he was going out to Utah. They saw UFOs. UFOs were following him. I'll tell you what, some of these spiritual things you're going to see, and I don't know if we're going to be able to make it through this year before we see some of these things, but, I'm not a prophet nor the son of the prophet. I believe in 2016.
But we are seeing so many things right now, Don. We're seeing the Pope himself come in his own name. And he called a year of Jubilee. And that's December 8th, where he's going to go to St. Peter's Basilica doors and declare these things.
Yeah.
These are declarations of, I believe, the false prophet.
Yeah.
Right after he left the country, the war started, the Syrian Russian attack.
Very good observation. The plan, the program is ready to go, ain't it? World War III, I consider it.
Now, what bothers me is that we just sent in some special forces, and we're creating a proxy war.
They're going to sacrifice them.
Well, those special forces are going to Syria.
Yeah.
Who says we're not going to Syria? Putin said no.
Yeah. And here's the thing. Obama won Nobel Peace Prize.
Yeah.
And what did he do? He bombed his own country. He bombed Libya. Libya used to have a very good economy. And just within the past 3 months, they had refugees fleeing. The ship sank and over 900 died getting out of that country. And America is being blamed for it. And it was Obama, Bozo, and the liberal Democrats, the insane clown posse that's running the White House foreign policy, installed the Muslim Brotherhood in Egypt.
Libya.
Yeah, and the people had to revolt to throw these people out, and they're blaming America.
And all these dictators, they treated Christians, good in their country. Really good.
Right, there was churches there for 1,800 years, known in Iraq.
Replaced them with these crazy Muslims.
Yeah.
They're now
Destroyed it.
Christians are getting killed like this.
Yeah, they're nailing them to buildings, crucifying them on buildings,
beheading them.
Yeah. And there's no apology by the Obozo administration for what's happening over there. But I was watching something on TV the other night, and I was kind of concerned.